What is up, guys? Welcome to Garage 23. And Joey, I thought we were done with this.
It's 126 degrees outside.
Yeah, so Joey bought us AC equipment and he wants us to try and fix it because it'll make great content because I've never done this before.
It's either gonna go great or it's gonna explode.
Yay, explosions.
All right, so here we have a gauge manifold specifically for this application of filling and evacuating and testing the vacuum of AC. Down there, we have a little vacuum pump.
Got this from Harbor Freight, link down below, but there's also some examples on Amazon that you could get through our affiliate link.
So nice thing about the high side and low side is they are different sizes. So when putting the connectors on, you can't mix them up, thank goodness. You can even just see by the caps, one side is, one is bigger and one is smaller. So you can't put a high side on a low side and you can't put a low side on a high side. So we're gonna go and take this, put it right there, snaps right in. And you take this one, the low side, and it pops right in as well. That ain't going anywhere.
And make sure they're closed to start off with, which closed in this case is left and right is open.
Follow the arrows, kids. The arrows will lead the way. And this little thing in the middle connects to the vacuum. And also just a quick reminder for everybody at home, whenever you get a brand new vacuum pump, you want to make sure you fill it with the oil that it comes with. Most of them have a little gauge on the side. I'm holding it awkwardly, so it may show correct or incorrect. Most likely it's incorrect because it's tilted. But there's oil in there. Don't forget to oil your vacuum, kids.
So now we can go ahead and open the low side, leave the high side closed, turn on the pump, and see if it'll draw vacuum.
We open it
All
the opens. I already have a hard enough time with righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and this is not helping it at all. All right, so now that it's open, we'll go ahead and fire the vacuum on.
And then we'll wait about 15-20 minutes.
All right, so unfortunately, it wouldn't hold vacuum. We had the vacuum go all the way to 33 inches of Miller per mercury in retrograde. What is it again?
With the 33 inches of mercury, or 30 inches of mercury, and it leaked down to 20. So we're gonna try to replace these O-rings, which are a pain in the ass, because none of these tools seem to work. If you guys have any recommendations on AC line disconnect tool thingies, let us know in the comments, because these Harbor Freight ones kind of suck.
AC line tool disconnect thingies, sponsor us.
Yes.
Should we just take that donkey dick off?
This doesn't even have a clamp on it. Okay, so the idea is that these things clamp on under the line, push up, and then it disengages these little like teeth and should let the line disconnect, but it doesn't really work that way.
Haha, you got it? Wow.
Yeah.
That's way easier than the last time. And last time you had
the
last time you had the bumper off too.
Yeah. For this other one, I think this tool didn't work for this side. Yeah, it doesn't really fit there. All right.
Nice.
It also has two O-rings.
Fancy.
They look a little crusty, I guess. Feels bad it'd be like cracked or dry looking.
This actually feels good. Oh, it does have a tear though.
Does it?
Yeah, I was gonna say on the left side, but it's a circle. So.
I'm for sure replace the compressor side too. Might as well since we have everything apart, I guess.
You know, I always forget because comparing it to the new O-ring, there's a pretty big difference. These two are the same size. Yeah, I'll give them to you to QC.
So I think we should probably replace the lines on the compressor too, since we're like already in here. Let's see if we can reach them.
Are compressor lines easier to take out than the ones on the condenser?
Yeah, because I just have a bolt.
Oh, that's nice.
Much more straightforward.
I like bolts. Bolts keep the world together. I will say these new O-rings have a lot more girth.
So is this one?
All right. Are those all the O-rings?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go put them all back now.
What was that?
That was my neck.
Jesus.
Oh God, that felt good. I can't feel my left side.
All right, now to tighten everything back up. Now to get these other two lines back in place. So these ones, you're gonna wanna listen for a very definitive click. If you don't hear that, they're not seated correctly. So make sure that they go in straight. Okay, so then just make sure it's lined up straight and then just push straight down. There. And the smaller one's a little harder to get lined up correctly, especially because the condenser line tends to bend a little bit. So I might need to hold the bottom one. There we go. Now just reattach the bracket. Need to find a clamp for this.
Nah, it's a VQ. It can run off of 2 quarts of oil and no clamps.
Not wrong.
All right, so here we are. We have the gauge manifold back. Go ahead and start off by taking our caps off of the high and low pressure lines. We'll put it right here for safekeeping since it blends with the black. Go ahead and connect this one first. That's in there. And always make sure the high side is closed. And then we'll open these. That's opened. That's opened. And now, we wait. So we replaced the O-rings.
We forgot we needed a whole piece that we didn't have, so we went to the store and came back, and it's still holding vacuum.
Yep.
So that's fantastic.
We've been gone for about an hour and a half. We had to go to the other side of town, went through 6 different stores, and we finally got
uphill in the snow.
Yeah.
Both ways.
Both ways. On foot. Ran out of gas.
We had to steal this.
Yeah.
We had to fight off some hyenas for it.
Yup. All the hyenas. But we come back, and our pressure is now still holding strong.
Yeah, so I thought that this can just screwed into here, because I think the bigger canisters do just screw in to the thing, but these don't. It kind of does, but it's like loose. So it didn't feel like that was the way to do it. So this little valve screws onto the top of the can, and that screws on much more securely. And then your yellow hose screws onto this. So then this thing you turn and it'll like puncture the can, or supposedly these have like a kind of valve. So now what do we do?
So now we're gonna go ahead and turn that to open the valve. So lefty tighty, righty loosey, like everything else has been on here. We're gonna allow the AC system or the freon to go through the line. And then now we need to get like a screwdriver or something to purge the line to make sure we get all the air out. You'll see on the gauge that there is a little window that will show us where the freon is. And we're going to, so for this step, we actually want to have a little bit of precaution. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a glove real quick. You'll see here, there's a little window that you'll see freon. So there's a little bleeder valve here. I'm gonna press the screwdriver against it and let some out. Did it let it out? Is it open or closed?
I don't know. Let's try the other direction. Okay, that's the other direction.
That's closed. Or that's, turn it the other way.
It was the other way.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all the way. It's getting cold.
Can you turn it upside down? Maybe?
You're not supposed to turn upside
Oh, you're not? Oh. Because they're just supposed to bleed all the air out. So what should I do? Should I just keep doing it until the stuff comes out? Because the thingy isn't even filled.
It's probably fine.
They keep going?
No, I think it's fine.
Well, then there'll be
There's obviously some coming out because the can's getting cold.
Oh.
Now you're just wasting freon.
I don't think. We'll just omit that part then. So that means we should open this now, right?
No.
Not yet?
We're gonna turn on the car first.
Start it.
Yeah.
Ready? Hi, Kylo. I'm starting the car.
Huh?
AC's on right now.
Okay. Okay, opening the valve.
I heard the compressor kick on. There we go. It's starting to drip out now.
It says shake the can.
Honestly, I just held it upside down and it just did its thing.
Right now it feels pretty empty.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let me check the inside. Oh wow, that's a big difference. So we're gonna weigh the second can because that's the one that we know we need to have less of. I just realized something though. So we were basing off of the math as if both cans were 1 pound each. But since that's 12, I don't know. Because that's not even a pound of freon that's in there right now. That's only 0.75. My head hurts. I haven't done math in a long time. Let me do some quick math real quick, sorry. So 488 is where it's at right now. So we'll do
488 minus 204.
yeah, 284.
284. Okay.
So wait, does that mean we need to go down 284? Or we
It
need
needs
to
to say 284 on this.
Okay, yes. So that. It's almost like we even know what we're doing. After we had to figure out how to do math again.
It comes out kind of slow.
Yeah. Yeah, it's 275 right now.
Yeah, good.
What's it at? PSI, what? Okay.
30.
Wow, you should feel the AC.
Oh.
Here, let me I'll take this off.
Can you take it off?
Yep.
Scared. Run
It's
away.
self-sealing.
You say so. Oh, that's cold. Yeah. We did something.
Oh God. It's fine.
Okay, both of those are closed. And we need to close both of these.
Oh, this isn't closed all the way.
Yeah, well, they're just
Oh, that's right. That's weird.
But
You get it pop open?
yeah. Yay!
Yay! I'm gonna be quite honest. I'm never getting rid of this car because of all the good luck we've had.
Right? I like this aesthetic.
Yeah, I do too. Congrats, we are now HVAC technicians.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because now that you know how to do the heater core, you can do the AC side now.
Now Joey can finally get this out of our yard.
It's not in the yard, it's in the garage. All of the AC. This is lovely.
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't it?
Oh my God, I love this car.
Oh, me too. Me too.
Great.
Well, for the very first time, we vacuumed all the crap out of the AC system, replaced the hoses.
O-rings.
O-rings. Yeah, that's right, O-rings. That was a lot of anxiety filling it.
That was scary. Like I've never done that before, just because one, the tools are kind of expensive, and I don't know, the whole process just seems a little scary because the pressures are kind of high, but it wasn't that bad.
A lot of room for
Blowing stuff up.
yeah, catastrophic failure. Yeah, but hey, we have all of our limbs. We can still see, and we have cold AC inside the cab.
And we didn't accidentally pollute the ozone or whatever.
We did not at all. And
So that's a win.
Yep, camera girl still safe and sound. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Remember, always do your best. I did not think that was actually going to work.
I didn't either. Okay, now we need to fill every other car we have now.
Yep.
If AC's gonna be this good.
Ultima, 350Z, S14. Even the R34 is a little low.
Is it really?
Yeah, it gets warm like on really hot days.
We should probably get like a empty keg just to empty all that crap out and then just replace it with just all new stuff.
It's not a bad idea.